Wait, what do you do? Show me again.
You do you take this open and you open it and you choose it
Oh.
and push the red button.
How'd you close it?
You put the yellow teeny tiny hangers in there, and they
Well, you put them in where?
in those holes,
Oh.
and they snap right in like that.
Oh, wow. It's very cool.
Like that, and then do push it. Push red button. Push red button.
Are you going to read the story?
Yes, I did. I can read it to you. So a tent and a bird, and Joseph. Why are you sitting on top of the?
What?
I just say, Steve.
Okay.